not be loaded from the Rockstar Cloud servers at this time is common in Rockstar games like GTA 5 or Red Dead Redemption 2. It indicates an issue with syncing your game data with Rockstar's cloud servers. Here are steps to resolve the issue. 1. Check Rockstar server status. Visit the Rockstar Games service status page, /support.rockstargames.com/services status to confirm if their servers are down or experiencing issues. If servers are down, wait for Rockstar to resolve the issue. 2. Restart the game and system. Close the game and restart your PC or console. Relaunch the game to see if the error persists. 3. Test your internet connection. Ensure your internet is stable and fast. Use a wired connection for better stability. Restart your router or modem. Test your network speed with tools like speedtest.speedtest.net. Tashna 4. Clear cache. On console, Xbox. 1. Power off your console completely. 2. Unplug it for 2 to 3 minutes. 3. Plug it back in and restart. PlayStation. 1. Turn off the console. 2. Hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Safe mode. 3. Choose the rebuild database option. On PC. 1. Navigate to the Rockstar Games launcher directory. 2. Delete the profile or cache folder under C. Users your username documents Rockstar Games Social Club. 5. Verify game files. Steam Epic Games. 1. Open your game launcher. 2. Go to your library and locate the game. 3. Right-click the game, verify integrity of game files. Rockstar Launcher. 1. Open the launcher. 2. Go to Settings, My Installed Games. 3. Select the game and click Verify Integrity. 6. Relink Social Club account. 1. Log in to Rockstar Games Social Club, socialclubrockstargames.com. 2. Disconnect and then relink your gaming platform, e.g. Steam, Xbox, PlayStation. 3. Relaunch the game and test. 7. Disable firewall or antivirus. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus to ensure it's not blocking Rockstar servers. Add Rockstar Games Launcher and the game to your firewall exceptions. 8. Switch to offline mode and back. 1. Launch the game in offline mode through the Rockstar Launcher. 2. Play for a few minutes. 3. Switch back to online mode and test. 9. Resync. 1. Open Rockstar Games Launcher. 2. Go to Settings, Cloud Saves. 3. Toggle Disable Cloud Saves. Restart the launcher, re-enable cloud saves. 10. Reinstall the game. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the game. If the problem persists, contact Rockstar Support. Rockstar Games Support /support.rockstargames.com. Provide your error code or screenshot of the issue. Let me know if you need further assistance.